Why Hong Kong will become a biotech startup capital of the world. If you search the biotech capital of the world, you would come across Boston, Massachusetts with its 1,000 biotech companies, or South San Francisco with its 200 biotech companies. Those two cities might be a home for the largest and oldest biotech companies, but if you wanted to start your biotech startup, where would you go? Where would you find an international hub where you have enough biotech talent, favorable local rules, best research facilities, the best hospitals to conduct clinical trials, and tons of biotech investment funds? There is one place where you can get an access to all of those. It is Hong Kong. Is there anywhere in the world today as good as Hong Kong as a location for a biotech startup? The city is now the fastest growing and world's second largest biotech funding hub after New York. Biotech startups in Hong Kong raised $12.6 billion in 2021. So how Hong Kong became a leading hub for biotech startups? Before we continue, if you like what we talk about on this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Click the bell button to get notified when we upload new videos. Hong Kong is traditionally known as a hub for financial services. It never had a true biotech ecosystem until 2018. Hong Kong Stock Exchange reformed its listing rules in 2018. Since then, 67 healthcare and biotech companies raised $26.79 billion according to the Hong Kong advisory body, the Financial Services Development Council, FSDC. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange added new chapters to their main board listing rules to attract new economy companies, pre-revenue biotech companies in mid-2018. To be listed on the main board of Hong Kong Stock Exchange, a pre-revenue biotech company has to demonstrate the following: a minimum expected market capitalization of not less than 1.5 billion Hong Kong dollars, a primary engagement in research and development for the purpose of developing new or innovative products, processes, or technologies, has unique features of innovation or intellectual property reasonably expected to give rise to commercializable patents, copyrights, and/or trade secrets, has its primary reason for listing the raising of finance for research and development so as to bring identified products, processes, technologies to commercialization, has at least one product, process, or technology that has proceeded beyond the concept stage, has a portfolio of durable patents, registered patents, and/or patent applications that demonstrates its rights to the new technologies or innovations that form the basis of its listing application, has previously received investment from at least one sophisticated investor, including financial institutions, meets the enhanced working capital requirements, has been in operation in its current line of business, for example, research and development in biotech, for at least 2 years prior to listing. The purpose of ensuring investors are fully informed of the business and research and development risks involved, biotech companies are also required to provide enhanced risk disclosures on the phase of development and the potential market of its products, disclosure of details of spending on research and development, patents granted and applied for, and research and development experience of management. Most of the current biotech IPOs are mainland Chinese ventures. Hong Kong has become a platform for biotech IPOs. But what needs to be done so that it could be a winning situation for Hong Kong businesses, investors, and patients? Hong Kong set up a government body to promote innovation and technology in the city through Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation, HKSTP. The Institute of Translational Research, ITR, is part of the HKSTP, which closely works with biotech startups. In November 2021, the Financial Services Development Council, FSDC, released a research report that addressed the next stage of biotech development in Hong Kong. The report addressed the need for talent, need for research facilities, research capacities, and business acumen, financial support through government programs and public-private partnerships, easing commercialization of products and services in Hong Kong, mainland China, and international markets. Hong Kong will help biotech startups to commercialize their research and sell their products and services to patients and healthcare providers in the Greater Bay Area and international markets. Hong Kong is planning to leverage its Science Park's 1,000 startups 11,000 research professionals and partners to provide critical infrastructure, expertise, and customized programs for researchers looking to advance their biotechnological discoveries. According to the plan, scientists and researchers will get support in gaining entrepreneurial mindset and skills, laboratory space, and funding, government grants to speed up the translation of research to actual biomedical products, and also establish Hong Kong as a biomedical research and development hub. Today, Hong Kong has the precise knowledge and expertise on international healthcare, commercial markets, and clinical trials. Hong Kong has money, biotech expertise, government grants, and labs to turn any idea into healthcare products and sell them to international markets.